So we all know that Google Ads is one of the very famous and very popular advertising platform to advertise your business online. And I've been working in this for around 13 years of experience as the time of creating this video. And with the passage of time, this experience will even get increased further. We have been working with various companies, clients across the globe. We have worked with different fields, different companies to provide Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, landing page optimization services, and other things. So in this video is going to be a detailed video regarding Google Ads. Case study of a client of a party bus, how we optimize the campaign, and how we improve their advertising services. So in case if you want to learn on how we created the campaign and how we were able to get a really awesome conversions, so you have to stay with me on this. And so I will explain in the step by step on what we did, and how we improved the campaign, and how we optimized the campaign, and how we were able to get the leads, and what kind of leads we are getting right now, and a few data to share with you. So yeah, let's stay with us on this. So here is the website. The client, first came to us, which had some unreliable claim issues and suspension issues. So which is why the client came to us, and the first thing first in that is optimizing the landing page experience. Before you run any campaign, our first goal is to optimize the landing page. Without an optimized landing page, there is no point of setting traffic. What are your advertising goals? For some people, they have a product online and they want more customers and more customers on them, and some people have a object of getting more leads, queries, and then the queries and leads eventually get converted on a call, and that is how they are able to convert that lead into a sale. And that is a multi funnel process, which is why it takes time to develop a sale. Okay, so what we suggested them is to have a optimized form on the website at the top of the website, without scrolling much, as soon as possible. And I personally believe that the lesser the forms over here can make your leads even better, because I want the process to be easy for my customers, because all I believe is that the most laziest person in the world is my visitor, and I want to make the process easy for him or her, for the sign up process. So yeah, you can see here is the help option available over here, and then here's a get a quote quotation available here. And then you can also see that like there's a call now option over available here. You can see the logo. Also the logo can be a slightly more attractive even right now, but there is always a room for improvement. And you can see there is a call now option for the people who do not even want to write the form and want to immediately call to them, what. And then some customer testimonials, giving the trust for the people to like the company is reliable, real. And then some more information about their functions, what kind of a party bus they have, along with the tariff plans, and popular services, and some certifications over, and then the social media links over here. Okay, once you are done with this, let's move on to the campaign part, and that is the most interesting and surprising part. I am sure that it will be for you as well. So let's move on to the campaign part. And we tried, and we run various campaigns for now, but right now we are now working well with two campaigns. Now we are targeting on New Jersey, and we are also targeting on New York. And you can see that we have two campaigns which are getting so far in the month of December. In 17th December, as per their budget, we are able to get around 42 leads with a spending of just $2,000. You know that once party passes is cost for around $1,500, $1,495 to be exact, and getting 42 leads for $2,000 is a fairly good spend. So yeah, we did various things, and let me show you even further. Like, it's not even 2,000, it's just $1,827 with 42 conversions, 630 clicks. And you can I'm not saying 42 conversions, but $2.9 with every CPC. So that turns out to be really not apologies, not 42 conversions, but around 101 conversions. Points out to around $18 cost per conversion, 18.09, which makes it a very, very cheap for anyone who wants to run online ads on Google. So yeah, In case if you ask on what kind of keywords we focused on phrase match keywords. We also had some negative keywords on it. We also used to focus on keyword search terms. That is how we were able to figure out what is working well for us and what is working not well for us. And then we also worked on locations, and let me even show you. For this is not a result of setting up a campaign. This is a result of various failed campaigns, and then eventually moving on to a fixed campaign. Even you can see that the optimization score is around 65 or 68%. Optimization score is just a calculated data, not a something, a human review. So a human review always points out to different things. Once Google is suggesting something, it is not always necessary that particular thing is gonna work. We have to try in various things. We are currently running manual CPC over here. We tried impression share, we tried maximize conversions, we even tried automatic CPC, and what figured out and what worked well for us is the manual CPC. So again, it varies again to campaign to campaign. You can see that we tried maximize conversion value, we tried maximize clicks. We also try enhance CPC, and we also tried impression share. Unfortunately, those things didn't work, because it varies from case to case on what is working well for your account. And there are a few things I like to tell more, and that is regarding the settings. So you guys have to stay with me over here. Let me refresh the page. Apologies to slightly slow internet over here. That you can see that in the New Jersey campaign, you can see the locations we have target. You can see over here, particular locations which proven to be worked well in the New Jersey, and that data is obtained over there running for a few months campaign, and after getting a few data on where we are working well, and continuously analyzing our competitors and competitor strategies, and that is how we were able to work. Personally, if you ask me, the second option presents is works really well, but we also have to understand the client opinion, client suggestions. We have the budget of $200 a day for the client, and right now it is working well for the client. So, and another thing I like to tell you more is regarding our ad schedule. We are currently running ads from Monday to Friday. It's 8 a.m. till 8:45 p.m. and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We believe that these are the time when sales are working really good for us. And another thing I like to say is about that we are not targeting on tablets, because as far as our case studies have shown that tablets do not tend to work well in this industry. So which is why we crossed out that from our campaigns. And as I told you that we are currently only targeting search phrase match. We are targeting phrase match keywords. We fluctuate the CPC, as per our quality score. We do not have a fixed one, but we do have negative keywords on our campaign, and you can see that we have added various negative keywords over the time, which are actually causing us not to get the traffic, because sometimes with kids searching on kids party buses, and we feel that the people who are searching kids party buses actually do not tend to convert well for what we are selling. And in case if you want to see our ads, you can also see our ads over here as well. You can see that we are even showing the price in our ad. I believe that showing the amount on the price makes up the mind of the customer before picking on the ad. But again, this formula is not a general formula where I can apply this on every niche. It can vary from country to country, niche to niche, your audience to audience, and what you are trying to target and what is your USP. But since it's a product where we believe that adding a product price converted well for us and generated more targeted clicks, because we are spending money for each visitor to land on our website. So that worked well, and we have added this as an option one, because we want to show this on the top. In case if we do not select this as in position one, it fluctuates between top 3-4 positions. We also have added some images of our party buses so people can see that how our buses are. And we have also added our address and other extensions on the ad, which proven to be worked well for the account. And that is how we were able to get more sales. Again, everything changes with Google Ads, and there is a no perfect formula to run campaigns on Google Ads, and again it can vary from niche to niche. But yeah, this is a result of outcome of a lot of hard work, not only by me but my team as well. We all strategized together to create a perfect working well campaign, and without the client support it was not possible. So having a client input where required is very important, necessary, but the client was also patient, so you need to be patient. Nothing is going to work the straight day. We optimized landing pages, we improved the offer after completely analyzing and evaluating our competitors. Then we searched on locations to pinpoint target locations where we can work well. And in the start of the campaign, we were targeting on different locations with different bidding strategies. Before coming up a joint campaign, we tried different things, and this worked well for us. So I hope you like the case study of a party bus rental where we work with a client. In case if you are looking for Google Ads services, we are here to help you. Me and my team can help you with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, exclusive services, and landing page optimization, creation services, and any issues with any ad platforms, we will be able to help you with. Thank you for watching this video. If you have, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and bye bye.